Welcome to Review Lab. The best magical butter is probably one of the most innovative kitchen appliances designed to simplify the process of creating your own infused butters and oils right at home, saving you time and effort while ensuring consistent results every single time. This machine is a game changer for anyone looking to explore the world of edibles and tinctures, offering a user-friendly experience that takes the guesswork out of infusion. Number 5. Magical Butter Sunflower Lecithin Powder. Introducing our pure sunflower lecithin powder. It's a versatile emulsifier perfect for all your baking needs. Enjoy a clean ingredient list with this soy-free and non-GMO option. It's also vegan and kosher certified for your peace of mind. This powder acts as an excellent stabilizer for both butter and oil. Achieve smoother, more consistent results in your recipes. Elevate your baked goods with improved texture and richness. It helps bind ingredients for a superior final product. Each container holds 1.76 ounces, providing a convenient amount for your culinary adventures. Get ready to create something magical. What we like. This is a fantastic soy-free, non-GMO, and vegan emulsifier. It's perfect for stabilizing your butter and oil infusions, ensuring a smooth and consistent texture in your baked goods. If you're looking for a clean ingredient to enhance your edibles, this is the one for you. What people say. The Magical Butter machine is a game changer for anyone looking to make their own edibles at home. It's incredibly easy to use, with simple one-button operation. Just load your ingredients, press the button, and let the machine do the rest. The results are consistently perfect, with evenly infused butter or oil every time. The machine also comes with a handy cleaning brush, making cleanup a breeze. I've been using my Magical Butter machine for a few months now, and I'm thoroughly impressed. The build quality is excellent, and it feels very durable. The infusion process is efficient, and I've found that it extracts the full potency of my herbs. The accompanying recipe book is also a great resource for beginners, offering a variety of delicious options. The Magical Butter machine has exceeded my expectations. It's a well-designed appliance that simplifies the process of making tinctures and edibles. The temperature control is precise, ensuring optimal extraction without burning your botanicals. I appreciate the quiet operation and the fact that it automatically shuts off when the cycle is complete. It's a reliable and effective tool for any home cook. Number 4. Magical Butter Gummy Mix and Mold Kit. Unlock the fun of homemade gummies with our easy-to-use kit. Perfect for beginners and experienced makers alike. Say goodbye to sticky messes. Our innovative no-stick design ensures your candies pop out perfectly every time. Simply mix your ingredients and pour them into the molds. Creating delicious gummies has never been this simple. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to start making your favorite gummy treats right away. Experience the quality and convenience that Magical Butter is known for. Elevate your edible creations with this fantastic kit. What we like. This kit makes creating homemade gummies incredibly simple with its no-stick mold and precise heating. It comes with assorted flavors, offering a fun and versatile way to make treats. If you love gummies and want an easy, mess-free way to make them at home, this bundle is a great choice. What people say. The Magical Butter machine is incredibly easy to use, with a simple one-button operation that makes the process straightforward. Its self-cleaning feature is a game changer, saving a lot of time and effort after use. The machine's design is compact and aesthetically pleasing, fitting well on kitchen countertops without taking up too much space. Number 3. Magical Butter MB2E Infusion Machine. Introducing the Magical Butter MB2E Infusion Machine, your all-in-one solution for creating perfect oils, butters, and tinctures. Experience effortless infusion like never before. Get the complete decarboxylation and infusion system with our MB2E and Decarbox bundle. Decarb first, then infuse, all within one convenient package. Achieve consistent results with automatic precision control. Simply set your desired temperature and time, and let it handle the heating, stirring, and straining for you. Its large 2 to 7 cup capacity makes it ideal for both home use and larger batches. The durable stainless steel pitcher ensures easy cleaning and long-lasting performance. This versatile machine works with a variety of carrier mediums, including coconut oil, olive oil, butter, and grain alcohol. Its built-in straining system provides clean, ready-to-use output every time. As the trusted standard in home infusion since 2013, it's backed by MagicalButter with US-based support and a full manufacturer warranty. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This is the ultimate infusion machine for oils, butters, and tinctures, featuring automatic precision control for consistent results every time. Its large capacity makes it ideal for both home use and larger batches. If you're serious about making your own infusions and want a reliable, hands-off system, this is the perfect investment. What people say. The MagicalButter machine is incredibly easy to use. Just add your ingredients, press a button, and let it do the work. It consistently produces high-quality infusions, saving you time and effort compared to traditional methods. The machine's design is sleek and compact, fitting well on any kitchen countertop. Number 2. MagicalButter MB2E Infusion Machine. Introducing the MagicalButter MB2E, your all-in-one solution for creating infused oils, butters, and tinctures. This complete system simplifies your infusion process. The MB2E Suites bundle includes everything you need for precision infusion and candy making. It comes with the machine, a decor box, gummy molds, and essential accessories. Achieve perfect results every time with its automatic precision control. Simply set the time and temperature, and it handles the heating, stirring, and straining for you. With a large 2 to 7 cup capacity, it's perfect for both personal use and larger batches. The durable stainless steel pitcher ensures easy cleaning and longevity. It works seamlessly with various carrier mediums like coconut oil, olive oil, butter, and grain alcohol. Enjoy clean, ready-to-use infusions thanks to its built-in straining system. As the trusted standard in home infusion since 2013, it's backed by reliable US-based support and a full manufacturer warranty. Experience the quality you can count on. What we like. This bundle offers a complete precision infusion and candy making experience, including the infusion machine, decarboxylation box, and gummy mold. Its automatic precision control ensures perfect results, and the included accessories make gummy creation a breeze. If you want a comprehensive system for both infusing and making gummies, this bundle is designed for you. What people say. It's a great machine for making butter, oils, tinctures, and even baked goods. The machine is very easy to use and clean, with a simple one-button operation. It comes with a recipe book and accessories, making it a complete package for beginners. Number 1. MagicalButter Gummy Making Bundle. This bundle includes everything you need to make a variety of flavored gummies. You'll get the gummy maker, assorted flavor mixes, and a premium silicone mold. Our precise temperature control melts your mix perfectly for dispensing. Plus, the non-stick coating makes cleanup a breeze every single time. Fill your silicone molds quickly and accurately with the precision spout. It works seamlessly with all food-safe silicone molds. This kit is perfect for making homemade gummies with any food-safe mix. Create delicious treats for parties, gifts, or just for snacking. Cleanup is simple with its non-stick interior that wipes clean easily. It's also dishwasher safe and its compact design fits anywhere in your kitchen. You can make over 300 gummies in a single batch, depending on your mold size. Enjoy making plenty of your favorite treats. What we like. This gummy making kit features a no-stick heating cycle and a precision dispensing spout for effortless candy creation. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to its non-stick interior and dishwasher-safe components. If you enjoy making gummies and want a user-friendly, easy-to-clean kit that produces great results, this is an excellent option. What people say. The MagicalButter machine is a game-changer for anyone looking to make their own edibles at home. It's incredibly easy to use, with simple one-button operation and pre-programmed settings for various infusions. The machine automatically grinds, heats, and stirs your ingredients, ensuring a consistent and potent final product every time. The stainless steel construction makes it durable and easy to clean, and the included recipes provide a great starting point for beginners. I've been using the MagicalButter machine for a few months now, and I'm consistently impressed with the results. The machine is very efficient, cutting down the infusion time significantly compared to traditional methods. The temperature control is precise, which is crucial for extracting the full potential of your herbs. It's also surprisingly quiet during operation, which is a nice bonus. The capacity is generous enough for most home users, and the cleanup is a breeze thanks to the dishwasher-safe components. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.